Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Happy Mail, and I'm so excited to open this. I can't believe I received something from this person, and you will see who it is. I literally just about screamed when I got the message that she was sending me something, you guys. Armin sent me something who is Happy Mail Queen, and when I read her message, it was like at night right before I was about to go to bed, and I said, "What the HEW hobby say?" My little boy was around and he repeated it. I said, "No, don't say that." Anyways, let's get into it. So it says open here, so I already went ahead and opened. And you guys, look, it says you've been booed, and so excited. She decorated this little box as well. Look how cute. And I love the little note that says you've been booed. It's so cute. And then I love her tissue paper as well. Polka dots with black polka dots with white. So let's get into it. Oh my goodness, you guys. You have no idea how excited I am. I've been following her for a while, and she has an amazing channel. But look at this, you guys. So cute. She does some amazing projects, and she's currently doing a series right now with Sophia, who is Paper Sweet. So go ahead and check their series out on memory dexes, and I love all that sequence she put in there. So cute. And look at her design, it's so pretty. So yeah, this is the card. I'm gonna go ahead and read that. Thank you so much, Armin. This is so thoughtful of you to send me boo mail. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate your card as well. And I love your channel, love your series, and also love your creations. Everything Sophia and Armin make are beautiful. You guys have to check them out. But such a beautiful card. Look how layered that is, you guys. See? Super layered, a beautiful card that she sent. I love it. And then she says it's small, that this is small, but you know what? It has made my day, and that is what I look at, and I love how she put this trim down here, the spider hanging out right here as well. So beautiful. Love the packaging as well, and her layering, and how she just placed everything so beautifully. This is her memory dex, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what's in the back, and everything looks like I could show it. So that's really quick what she likes, and let's go ahead and dig in. If I can't open this, I'm not going to rip it open because I didn't want to mess that up. Okay, so here we go, you guys. This is one of her memory dex cards, and look at this beauty. Look at this. I love what she did with the cauldron. Putting buttons there is so genius. I love the hat, the pink, the black. Everything is amazing. I love the broom as well. It's so pretty. And look at that button right there. Button, how beautiful is that? Along with the spider as well. I love how she used her buttons. Love how she used the spider web with some bling on each end. This is beautiful. I love it. Okay, putting that back in the packaging. I love how beautifully she packaged this up. Oh my goodness. No, she did not send me this. I seen this one. Oh my goodness. Let's open it. Well, I put the tissue paper there for the glare. But you guys, I seen her make this, well, the video she put, and I thought it was such a genius project. It looks like a planner, or like a TN, a very miniature TN. It has a closure here, and I love how she included the tassel here along with the pink ghost. And oh my goodness, you guys, it's a miniature embellishment book, and I love what she's done here. So pretty. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I appreciate it so much. I love her little rosettes. So cute. And then also some more. Look at these. These have like bat dangles. And I love this. Look how pretty this is. It's a heavy bat. It's like a metal, I think. It feels metal. But it's so cute, you guys. I love it. Look how cute that is. I definitely will be using those. And I just love the dangle. So cute. Such a miniature little project. And I love it. Okay, next is, let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. This is a little cute mini bag. I love it. How cute is this? Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, this is such a cute little miniature Halloween bag. I love what she's done. She used one of these, I believe this is cut apart. It looks like in Hey Pumpkin, you know, the 31 countdown page that's there. It looks like that, but it could also be a tag. But I love what she's done and made it into a little cute bag. So cute. And then she has this pink organza bag in here. Let's see what this is. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love charms. You guys know that this is my favorite thing to get. And not only that, she has included all the Halloween beautiful charms. Look at that. I love it so much. I love it. Okay, my favorite has to be the ghost. The ghost is so cute. Love that. Thank you so much. And she also included some black tassels that did not come out, and I do not have these this size. I have a miniature size, but not this size. So thank you for that. Definitely will be using these in my Halloween series as well. Okay, next is, and it's the last one, you guys, in this beautiful bag. Iridescent bag. And ooh, you guys, okay, let me take all of this out. I love how she decorated it. For the decoration of the bag, she put some pom-poms, and I love what she did there. I've never seen that before, and that's so genius. I love it. And I love the black and the pink. So pretty. I'm gonna put this back so I don't lose any of it, because it's definitely gonna be reused. Okay, let's look at this key chain name, and I love what she's done, you guys. So it looks like she used some cardstock and foam and sandwiched in the foam in the middle. It is a keychain wording, and I love the dangles that she used. How pretty is this? Okay, you guys, so look at that. All the little dangles here. I love it. So pretty. Love the black. Love the light pink, and then the pink bow, and the black just goes so well. And look at that black chain. How neat is that? I love it so much. So this is so cute. It was such a cute little package. And I've been sent Halloween before, but I've never been sent an actual title of You've Been Booed, and this was so surprising to me, as well as made me feel a little spoiled and also thought of. So thank you so much, Armin. I appreciate this so much. It means so much to me to have gotten a You've Been Booed. And yeah, this is my first actual You've Been Booed Halloween Happy Mail. So I appreciate this so much. You guys, I'm sure you know who she is, so I will have her linked below. Her name is Armin, Happy Mail Queen, and she's amazing. So go ahead and check her out, and I hope you enjoyed her Happy Mail as much as I did, because I am like seriously to the moon right now about this. So thank you so much. Bye.